folks, hey superstar, this is Wesley Virgin. Let's go. Check it out here. So this is the video that I've been waiting for, and we're going to talk about software automation, and I'm going to show you in this video here live how I'm steps right now earning $2,000 per post using my social media, which includes YouTube and Instagram. Now listen, I'm going to be very transparent here. For the last couple of months, I've been doing a lot of research as it relates to software automation. I've made millions of dollars, but in the beginning, I did all the work like most people. But I've learned something that you can use software that I'm going to show you here, right on that laptop right here, how you can automate that entire process so you can basically work smarter, not harder here. Now listen, let me turn the camera around. Now listen, I want to be very honest with you as well. Okay, let me be honest. Listen, I want you to imagine something here. Imagine every video that I post that's $2,000 with a high of $3,000, and I get paid more, and I'm gonna tell you why. And the great thing about this, look at this, per post, I get paid $1,600 here. You see that? And that's on my YouTube, on Instagram. It's a little bit more. Now, what's important about this, you don't need a lot of followers, and you can start brand new to do this. And I'm going to explain step by step, but let me be very transparent with you. Listen, if you're looking for something to happen overnight, if not willing to put in the work, well, that's what losers do. And I know that you're not a loser. Losers, they want something for nothing. What I'm going to do, and what I've been doing for the past year, is showing new people how to use the internet to make money online to be independently wealthy. Comment below, amen. Smash the like button if that's you. I'm not here to teach people how to be lazy, okay? You got to put in a little work. It'll never work out for you. Does that make sense? So if you're in it to win it, comment below, smash the like button, say, Wesley, I'm in it to win it. I'm going to go through these steps. It's very quick, very easy. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give away some free money, so stay here. And also, I'm going to show you the software that I'm using right now to generate everything that you're about to see in this video here, okay? So understand this. I'm going to be very honest. I use YouTube. You see that? That's my YouTube channel. I have 500,000 subscribers here, and I make a ton of money here. And I also use Instagram. I got 1.2 million. But if you notice, I don't get a lot of views, and I'm explaining it in the video. And guess what? It doesn't even matter. Some of you are like, well, you have all these followers, but nope, it doesn't matter. Listen, if you have 1,000 subscribers, 1,000, you should be making a minimum of $10,000 per month. And I'm gonna show you how to do this in this video. Is that cool? All right. If you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to get off your butt and don't be a loser and don't be a freaking quitter, you'll make money. First step is this. You got to find a niche, okay? Write that down, please. You have to find a niche. There are 3 niches online. If you want to make money, you need to be in these niches here. Does that make sense? There are 3 niches. 1, weight loss. Write that down. Can you guys hear me? Smash the like button. I'm getting a little excited here, right here, because I'm getting ready to blow your mind. Look, weight loss. I've made tens of millions of dollars in the weight loss niche online. 2, make money online. As you can see, my YouTube channel here, it's all about make money online. I'm not talking about fishing. I'm not talking about makeup, photography. It's all about making money online. So listen, when you start the social media, you can use your current social media, or you can use YouTube or whatever. You got to stay in your niche. Does that make sense? Write this down below. Consistency is the key to any success in life, especially with YouTube and social media and Instagram here, okay? And the last niche is sex and relationships. These are very 3 carnal needs that people like. People want to lose weight, people want to make money and be rich, and people want to make love to the people they want to make love to. Can I get an amen? Smash the like button if you agree. So listen here. What I've done is I chose a niche and I started to post videos. But I know a lot of you may say, well, Wesley, I want to be on camera. Wesley, is there an easy way to do this? Let me show you something. Let me show you how. And as a matter of fact, let me give you this site. Go to this site right here. It's socialbluebook.com. Social Blue Book, what they do is, it's like the Blue Book for your internet website or your social media account, right? It's like for your car. So it tells you based off your subscribers and your engagements, how much money they're gonna pay you. Now I get paid well more than this, right? And I'm gonna show you how I'm able to do that. But whenever you want to sell this, and I'm gonna show you how to do that, once you get your subs up to about 1,000, I'm gonna show you how to approach people easily and they will pay you money all day. As a matter of fact, on this site, they do it. They do charge you a little money. It was free at first, I'm gonna be honest, it was free. But to me, it's powerful because you can post it and people will reach out to you every day. I get collaborations every day, $5,000 to $10,000 to post. Now check it out. The first step is, if you're on Instagram, smash the like button if you have an Instagram account. I know what you're thinking, Wesley, I'm on Instagram right now, watching this now. Of course I have one. Okay, great. So listen, let me maximize this. Instagram is very popular. You can either have an account or you can have a new account, okay? Now, let's say, hypothetically, I wanna go into the weight loss niche. Let's say, you know what? I wanna make a lot of money per post in the weight loss niche. This is what you do. You can do this even in 7 days. You search weight loss. Okay, are you guys with me here? You see that right here? So we'll choose a girl like this. So what you wanna do is understand your profile needs to resemble your niche. It needs to align with your niche. That makes sense? That means if you're a photographer, you can't post photos of you on the toilet. Does that make sense? If you're a sneakerhead, you can't post pictures of a Hublot watch. Does that make sense to you? Okay? Because what you want is this, right? Smash the like button if that's what you want, of course. So listen, you can either start a new one or you can use your current one. Let's say I want to go in the weight loss niche. Okay, now I need subs. I need followers, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna post some content, right? I can post some quotes, I can post some tips, some before and after pictures. And then what I wanna do, I can go to this girl's page here, right? This young lady here, she had a nice transformation here. And I can click on her followers. Okay, this is the free way to do it. And all you need to do is follow, follow, follow. Why? Because every single one of these people are interested in her and her transformation, which is weight loss. When you start an Instagram channel or a Instagram account, you want to be aligned. Come into the word. You have to align with the audience, okay? Listen, say if I want to do the whole romance relationships, okay? Like how to make men not monogamous or how to make women more freaky. I don't know, right? You can type in relationships here and I can find a profile. Let's click on this girl. Okay. You see this profile right here? So there's 23,000 followers here. Learn how to date and live like a true goddess here. So that's kind of for women. It's a pretty little girl here. Look at it. She did the same thing. I mean, listen, you can make money online right now. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give away free money and I'm going to give you the automated software that I'm using to pretty much kill it right now. Look, 23,000 followers. Okay. Can everybody see that clearly here? I'm sorry, I'm using my phone. Okay, you can see that? You want to follow all these people. They will follow you back. Not everybody, but a lot of people will. This is how you get instant followers. Your goal is to get 1,000 real quickly here. Because then you can start making a couple of $1,000 or $100 per post. Like $100 per day per post is $3,000. Comment these words below. Consistency is key. Once you do that, you start to post different weight loss pictures or content about the niche that you're in. I gave you the niches. Weight loss, listen big head, sex and relationships, and making money. Right? Those are the 3 evergreen niches you should stay in if you want to make crazy money online. Okay? Now, once you do that and you start to post, now you may say, well, Wesley, how can I get my followers up? Easy. Go to a site called Shot Card. You can pay $5. If you got $5 in your bank account, you can pay $5 to $10, and these people, they will post and they will shout you out for $5 to $10. You will instantly get 100 followers, 200 followers, but understand what you want to do is get paid per post. So you want to build credibility. Does that make sense? That's how it's done. You want to know why I have millions and millions of followers? Not just because I'm a great guy, not because you love me and like all my videos. It's because I do giveaways, okay? I do giveaways. I did a giveaway with Kylie Kardashian. I did one with Kim Kardashian. I did one with Lil Wayne, all these people. And I took all those followers and I monetized these people. Does that make sense? That's why I'm able to charge this much money, but I charge more. I charge $10,000 per post. Are you with me here? Now, if you're able to do this, I just explained to you the steps. You can use this on YouTube or Instagram. A lot of people on Instagram, and I believe that you can do this because Instagram makes it very easy to get started right now, okay? Choose a niche. I want everybody to put their niche below. Go ahead and do that. Weight loss, make money online, or relationships or sex, period. Create an account today. When you find the niche, you can find pictures and articles or whatever on Google, and you can start to post them on your account. Quotes about relationships, doesn't matter, right? Go to quote.com and put just quotes and quotes and quotes. Then you want to follow other pages. Listen, okay? You want to follow other pages in that niche. Like say if like Wesley Virgin, I'll give you an example. See, if I want to be in the make money online niche, I'm in that niche. You go to Wesley Virgin, you go to all my 1.2 million followers, and you just follow everybody. Follow. And once you're done, you can remove them if you want to, but they will follow you back. A lot of people will follow you back. A follow for a follow. Does that make sense? You have thousands of people that do this. Now listen, I'm getting ready to go to Dubai because I'm working on something that is transformational and as it relates to software development, because the world has changed with crypto, with Bitcoin, and with software automation here. Listen, there's a software that I want to introduce you to that allows you to post and earn money. And I know it sounds weird, but listen, with a little work, little to no work today, I'll leave a link below. You can post and you will earn money, and it's a software that does everything that I just showed you. The software does it for you. Understand, even Elon Musk said this. Artificial intelligence is taking over, and it will. So you'll either be in front or behind. And as a matter of fact, what I want to do for everybody that likes this video right now and tag 3 people below, I'm going to give you a free cash out, okay? And everybody that gets the software and show me that you got the software, I want to give you a free cash out immediately. Can I do that for you? All you need to do is a link below. I'll put the link. It's www.wesleyvirgin.com/post-earn. Okay, check out the software. It's on. I use it. And listen, for the next year, I will be recommending softwares and I will be developing softwares. I'm in the software business. I will be giving it to my affiliates, my customers, and you. Why? Because I want you to understand that if you're the first person to the party, you win. But if you're the last person, you're going to be left behind at your job and you're going to be lost. And many people are lost. They were lost with the internet boom years ago. They were lost with the Bitcoin craze. Don't miss out on this. Software automation, artificial intelligence is taking over. Okay? And that's post-earn. I will post the link in the description below, right under this video here in the comment section. But I want to give away over $1,000. All you need to do is tag 3 people, like the video, share the video, and put your Cash App, Venmo, PayPal account below. And I'm going to look at this account all day for the next 48 hours, and I'm going to give out over $1,000 of free money. But listen, all of you can do this. Take this seriously. You don't have to continue to live the life that you currently live. You don't have to go to that job and do all the stuff that you don't want to do. Take a chance. Take a leap of faith. It is stuff that is happening on the planet that many of you are not privy to. This is why I do these videos here. And I'm looking for the people that are not skeptical. I'm looking for the people who are willing to take massive action right now. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.